I came to see who is singing. What are you doing under the rain? Why are you under the rain? It's very dangerous to be under the rain. It's raining, that's what I'm saying. Come. Come. Yes. You want to eat biscuits? You want to pick biscuits? Where are you picking it from? Where do you want to pick it from? Hmm? You want to carry baskets? I don't understand. I don't understand what you mean by carrying baskets. What basket are you carrying? What basket is there? What basket? What basket do you want to carry? What basket do you want to carry? Hmm? Hmm? Huh? Let's carry mommy now. Okay, you want to carry mommy? Carry mommy. Carry mommy now. Carry mommy now. I should come and sit at the end. Sit down. Sit down. The other day that I sat in the other one, do you remember that it folded? Do you remember that that one folded? Like it spoiled totally immediately. You want me to come and sit on this one, so I will by myself break my mopping bucket. I cannot spoil my stuff by myself. That's my bucket. See my motor here. Is that your motor? But that's my bucket. Different people, different stuff for different purposes. Yeah, I should get you a car. But then the problem with that car is that if I get it, you will stop playing your football, because I know you. I know what you can do. Then every time if I tell you let's play ball, you say no, I want to play motor. Let's play ball, you say no, I want to play motor. And then you start having issue. So it's better as you don't even have. You poo-pooed? No, it can't be possible. Come, let me see. Come, let me see. I know you're joking.